Hey everybody, what's up? You're watching Makeup Rules with me, the Real King Bob. Look what just arrived. The Phase 2 bdellium, that's correct. The B is silent. This is their Phase 2 complete 15-piece brush set that I received in a PR package. This has a little information in there about following them. Be bold, be beautiful, be a bdellium babe. And you can follow them at bdellium tools. That's bdellium tools on all their social media. This is the golden triangle brush set. Like I said, it's the Phase 2. And they're basically just talking about geometric royalty when it comes to their brushes. So if I read off the back of the card, it basically explains that they feel true perfection and royalty in the palm of your hands with our new avant-garde golden triangle collection. Innovative and triangular shaped royal blue brush handles enclosed by rose gold brass ferrules. We love our furry friends. They are 100% cruelty free and vegan. Also, ergonomically designed to provide better control to prevent brushes from rolling off all surfaces, which is kind of amazing. Did you ever like set something down and it just like slowly rolls away and you gotta be like, grab it real quick? These don't roll, so it's kind of nice. Bow down because geometric royalty is here. How fitting. The Real King Bob. So anyway, these Phase 2, I will run off real quick all of the brushes that you get inside this set. So get a stand-up pouch. I will show you the pouch now before I show you the brushes. It is almost like a neoprene kind of feel to it, so it feels like scuba gear a little bit. So it's thick, durable, it's flat on the bottom, so it does stand. When you open it up, all of the brushes can be inside, and there's two dividers, so you can do your face brushes and your eye brushes, or your clean and your dirty. And they basically, you know, stand up in there so they're nice and secure, so they don't roll around inside the bag. It does actually have 3 sections, so you can do here, here, here. You can store all your and you can store all your brushes inside it. Alright, so let's start with the brushes. We'll go small to large right now. So we'll start with that bent angled liner brush. You'll probably notice it on the bigger brushes, but they are flat. There are 3 sides to it, so it really is a triangle. This is the bent liner brush. Super precise. An amazing tip on there. And you're done. But this is the number 708 bent liner brush. Then we will go to the small angle, which is number 762. Alright, so it's pretty thin and very firm. So that is going to be amazing for drawing in brow hairs, even doing liner. A lot of detail work that you can use with this brush. Now is the 763 angled brow. So this is a more fluffier brow brush. This I would do with maybe powder brow product, just for softening and filling in the areas that you want to darken in your brow before you go in and add any detail. This works really great with that. And then the 546, which is the square lip brush. It would probably be great just to kind of automatically like hook up that Cupid's bow. You just be like boom, boom, and you're good to go. So this is kind of nice. Can't wait to try it. And it is really firm. Obviously they have, you know, stuff on it right now that once you start using it, it'll soften up. But it's really cool. Alright, so then we have the number 780, which is the pencil brush. I feel like all my pencil brushes are white, which I don't know why, because I hate when brushes look dirty. And this is going to look filthy in like 2 minutes, but it is super dense, super soft, super. And that's great for smudging, you know, detail work. I just love the way that they feel, and I love that royal blue color. And those flat edges, the flat edges on the brushes really help to, like, I don't know, just hold your fingers and they work really well. Alright, next we're going to go to the 776, which is a blending brush. So again, I would usually keep this one clean. I would go in if I did any detail work and needed to soften and blend. Probably not really add much product to this, just to go in, just to blur any areas that need softening. Again, super fluffy, really nice and dense. And the large shader brush, which is number 774. I probably use this for packing on shadow all over the lid, just to kind of get stuff on there. More of your powder products. Yeah. And then this one here, which is the Bold Concealer, which is 937. I would use this maybe for cream eye products or for really cleaning up and carving out your crease. You know, for all that crease glitter looks that everyone's doing now. Or even for a traditional concealer brush, you know, just to pack on concealer. And then we have your number 785, which is the tapered blending brush. Traditional fluffy crease. You know what to do with it. Some people even use this size for highlighter, but I definitely keep this more on the eyes. And here is a dual fiber large tapered blending number 787. That's really fun. That's good for like really softening and blurring out. So and if there's any harsh lines on your work, you can definitely clean it up with this. This might even be nice for using a little bit of powder under the eye, or again, banging out your highlighter would be really fun too. So a lot of options with this guy. They just feel so nice. I don't want to use them because they're gonna get dirty and then I have to clean them. This is one of my favorites too. But you can definitely see the triangle with these brushes now. The 3 flat sides. Just think that they're so classy, and like I said, they don't roll when they're on a surface, so it's great. But this is an amazing foundation brush. This is also really good for blurring out a contour. But this is really great for liquid foundation, you know, under the eye, around the face. It just fits everywhere really nicely. It's not too large. Gets the job done evenly and fast. This again is the 956 Slanted Precision Kabuki brush. It's weird that they call it a kabuki, but I guess because it's like chunky, maybe. And here we have the 959 Powder Blending Brush. I would either use this to pack on powder on my face to set foundation, to do a really quick bronzy contour, but it's so soft, so silky. Again, won't roll, great handle. I love the rose gold ferrules on them. They just feel really heavy and feel really quality. And then we have this amazing tapered contour brush. So really getting in there with your powder contour. I also really like this brush for, you know, setting powder under the eye. You could even use this for highlighter if you want. But this is the 944 tapered contour. A lot of fun options with that one. And we have its larger brother, which is the 974 tapered powder. Same thing, just for kind of maybe dusting blush, translucent powder, finishing powder, setting powder all over the face. I love that this like hugs the cheek, has that really nice, you know, tulip shape to it. Great for just pressing powder all over. Really heavy, dense. The brush hairs on it are really silky, beautiful. And last but not least, it is the last one, and it is the least one, whatever. This is the 960 Precision Blusher Brush. These are some of my favorite brushes for doing blush. Has that nice domey shape to it. You know, it's not too wide, not too dense, so it's not like your typical round brush. It doesn't act as like your typical tapered, angled blush brush. But this, I feel like, really hugs the cheek, and you can just kind of get the blush right on there and just pull it in. It works really well for blush. So there you have it. That's all 15 pieces of this set. This is again the bdellium Phase 2 brush set with pouch. I can't wait to get Phase 1, Phase 3, and however many other ones that they come out with. But like I said, this is a great arsenal to have in your own personal collection as well as professional. These brushes are super quality, last a really long time, and you will absolutely love them. And again, to reiterate the fact that, you know, the geometric shape, the amazing color selection that they have on it, and that they are vegan and 100% cruelty free, which is amazing. So again, be bold, be beautiful, be bdellium, and follow them on their social media, bdellium tools. And again, it's bdellium tools, pronounced bdellium. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next week's episode of Makeup Rules with me, the Royal King Bob. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.